Dot data file also it's read CSV. To read an Excel file, it is read Excel. So we didn't do Excel. I think we can do that now. So here, see here I'm trying to read an Excel file. So pt dot read underscore Excel. So this is the method which you will use to read an Excel file. Here the file is like amazing mart eu2 dot xlsx. So it's an Excel sheet. Now again I'm passing here list of orders. So this is the sheet name. So any Excel file, if you see, like we'll look into this file. I'll just open this file. 1 second.
There is a and below one tab is coming actually from your end. Yeah, no.
Tab. So you're able to see this file.
Yes.
Amazing Mart U2 Excel sheet. Okay, so this is a Excel sheet. So now Excel sheets will be having multiple sheet. Here if you see, this file has one sheet named as list of orders. The other sheet is order breakdown. Similarly, the other sheet is sales targets. Okay, so like that we have three sheets here. So now suppose I want to read like any of these sheets. Suppose I want to read list of orders or any other sheet, then I have to give the sheet name as well. Okay, while passing the read Excel command, I have to also pass as argument the sheet name. So here if you see, I'm passing the complete file path, and with that the file name. Then after that I'm passing the sheet name. Okay, then it will read that particular sheet. And dataset.head, it shows top 5 values of that sheet. Okay, you are getting this. Okay, you can try this. You can download this amazing mart u2.xlsx file, and you can try to read this file by giving the sheet name if you want. You can download the file from the dataset folder which I have shared. Then you can read the file by giving the full path with the file name. Then give the sheet name as well. Only in whenever you are reading a Excel sheet, you have to give the sheet name. Otherwise, you can read as usual any other file.
PD, how it is
Which one?
PD.
PD. Okay, PD is like import pandas as PD. Okay, so we are using pandas here. You have to read import
Got it.
pandas as
I
PD.
understood.
Sort for me, like I'm practicing on like on that uh, Colab. So for me also I have to pass the sheet name.
Yes, sheet name you have to give, but to read the file you have to do this one. That is, you have to mount the Google Drive. That day we saw, right, how to mount the Google Drive and all.
Yeah, so every time I have to mount.
Yes, yes. You have to mount the Google Drive, then you have to read from the drive.
Okay. Like every time I have to do it.
Yes, yes. Because no, that instance will be dead now. It will be only for some specific instance. It is just for that page. You have to do every time.
Okay. Suppose that particular Excel having only one sheet, then
Then no need to give the seat name. See, if you don't give the seat name also, it will read the first seat. Okay, if you don't give the seat name, it will read the first seat. Like here, anyways, it will read. It will be reading list of orders. If you give the other seat names, it will read those other seats. Okay.
okay. But see, I have given the sheet name, but I'm getting some kind of error. Office of supplies.
Can you check all
PLI.
to be correct? But what is that error? Can you
So,
read me out that error? Last line, error,
uh,
last line.
it's a parser error, tokenizing data. See error. Expected one field in line. Oh, sorry. So, okay, my mistake, I think, because it should be, wait, read Excel, yeah, it's work. Wait. Yeah, it's working for me.
Okay, working, right?
Yeah. I have doubt actually. In the header, like data one dot head, there is a function is there, right? Head function or tail function.
Yes.
So
Head
in that we can
means,
pass the
see, by default, head shows you top
hello.
five values. Yeah, by default, head shows you
Yeah.
top five values. If you want some particular number, you can pass the number. If I
Okay.
say head of
If I
10,
if I want to see 22, like 22 to 25.
22 to 25, then you have to do that data.loc of. We have done no earlier data.iloc start from 22nd index till like 23rd, whatever you want. Okay.
Okay. I'll see. Okay.
Kasif, you got this?
I think last slide I missed that way, but I will try and take help from others also.
Okay. So we'll go ahead.
Yeah, please.
So it is like ILOC, or what is the function? I forget.
Here, no, here, one second. It's data.iloc. Like here we have given iloc. Then from which index row index to which index, like that you have to pass. So you are saying 22nd, so 22nd till which position, like 25th, 21st, 26th. Okay, you have to pass your data frame name, like whatever you have given, like data set or whatever you have given, .iloc of this one.
Okay.
Okay, you can try this.
Yeah, done.
Okay.